Right, let's give this a try. This is YouTube Live. I don't know how many people I'm going to get watching this. I just thought I'd give it a try. I'm just out mobile with the new old radio. It's the... Excuse me, it's a bit noisy here. Some strange noises. Right, I've got the... it's a new old radio. It's the realistic DX-392. Bought it on eBay. Very popular marketplace website, as many of you know. The antenna in use, it's manufactured by Sony, and it's a battery operated telescopic whip on the top of the car. And I'm out mobile, just in the northeast of Scotland. So if I just switch the camera around, which I can do using that button, it's extremely dark, unfortunately. Can I do anything about that? Let's have a look. Okay, nope, I don't think I can. Well, there we go, there's the radio there. It's a bit dark here, unfortunately. I'm in the pitch black here, so if I turn the light on the radio. Can I turn the light on? Yes, I can. It's not a very good one. I'm listening to 40 meters. And so far, my impressions of this radio are pretty good. Just trying to try and get an angle where it's going to be visible to the naked eye here. It's extremely dark. So you're going to have to take my word on this. You can hear the audio. The little Sony... This is the Sony module. And I've got it on 0 dB attenuation. So if I turn that off completely, everything goes. And then RF gain on the unit is set max. Extremely dark, I'm afraid. This is a pain in the proverbial. Let's see what else other settings. Let's enable flash. There we go. That's better. That's better. Although the battery's going to go pretty quick, so I don't know how long I'm going to do this for. So I thought I'd give it a try.
Germany Queen whiskey, go ahead. QSL, this is Italy whiskey, and number 2 Germany, Quebec whiskey. Thank you very much for coming back. You are 5 and 9 plus 10. NDD over, 9 in North Italy over. No, negative. Italy whiskey, and number 2, repeat, and number 2 Germany Queen whiskey over. Number 2, India whiskey 2, Germany Queen whiskey, Roger. Roger. Thank you very much. Good evening. 5-9. Going over. QSL. Thank you for 5.
So I'm just going to turn the volume down. There's a little bit of a taster of the audio there. It's very strong, punchy audio output. Very big radio, very heavy. It's got D-type batteries in the back, and it's got a computer module as well. So it needs AA batteries for that. Very large, and you can see there, a very large sort of multi-speaker, and a cassette as a bonus there, which I've not used yet. Probably I might use it. Might go elect to do some recording with a cassette. So I'm just tuning around 40 meters. It sounds pretty darn quiet, actually. Not a heck of a lot. Not a heck of a lot going on, I'm afraid. So let's have a little tune. Let's put in the frequency of, let's start at the bottom end of 40 meters for phone. and a lot of atmospheric cracks and crackles here. No. Now, this is a broadcast station out of, is it Sudan? Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Is it Sudan? Is it or a Somalian radio station here? Booming in. And I've got a few little things I can tweak here. Obviously I've got the BFO off at the moment. Don't need that on. There's the RF gain, which is set full, but it doesn't make a darn sight bit of difference if I put it down to 50%. Really. Tone is set for about 50%. That is booming in tonight. So again, this is the new old realistic DX-392. Not a heck of a lot of video content on YouTube. Here we are. This is my location. Pitch black here. There's the car. There's the car there, and there's the antenna on the roof of the car. So it's a telescopic style antenna, designed and manufactured by Sony. There we go. For anyone interested there, cracking antenna. Doesn't work at all well. It doesn't work very well at all in the house because there's just too much. There is far too much man-made interference in my house nowadays. So all the listening I do is predominantly done outside. So the whip is only about, crikey, the telescopic whip is only about 1.5 meters long, but it does the trick. Now, back in the car, just make sure the cable's just running through here for the antenna. It doesn't seem too bad. I don't want to get a bit of a. There we go. That's okay. Just sure it's not damaging the cable there. So I've got to say it runs into this. What do you call it? Interface, antenna interface. Well, to quote the proper name, the antenna controller unit. Okay, let's put the BFO back on. So that's the BFO back on. Seamlessly switches back on.
In the shack to keep me reasonably warm. My shack is outdoors, so it's not naturally heated, but it's cool enough for me to have a portable gas fire in here, Jim. WX today's been okay. Temperature around about 12 or 13, 14 degrees maybe centigrade, but overnight it'll be dropping into single figures and getting quite cool, I expect.
Yeah.
You're running about a 5.8 with me, a 5x8. You're off the side of the antenna, Jim. I can't
turn that light off
very easily at the moment, but you are off the side of the antenna, so that's a pretty good signal for all of that. Running 800 watts to a pair of phased verticals, but they're currently looking north-south rather than east-west. Okay? 5B4 ALS portable, EA5ISZ, over.
Oh, there's the box for the radio there. Look at that. It's a blast from the past. So, doesn't look like the radio has ever been used, to be honest with you. It's beautiful condition. A wonderful looking receiver, you know, very 80s looking design. And there we go. There's some French information. Oops, changed the orientation. Absolutely beautiful piece of kit. Nice and sturdy.
5B4 ALS portable. Echo Alpha 5, Italy Sierra Zulu clear. EA5ISZ, just listening, over. Charlie Tango 3 November.
Wow, it's booming in. Absolutely.
Sorry guys, I didn't get anything out of that. Could you try again, please, over? Charlie Tango 3 November, America.
Oh, it sounds like a Scot.
There's a station with America at the end of the call, please, over. Charlie Tango 3 November Alpha. Charlie Tango 3 November
Yeah, and you're not from
QSL, Brian.
Portugal.
Charlie Tango 3, November Alpha. 5 Italy, Sierra Zulu. Nice to meet you, Brian. I don't think we were before. You're a pretty good signal, about a 5.9, around the 5.9 mark.
Tweak it around the other side.
North rather than east-west at the moment.
Beautiful looking unit, isn't it? Wonderful chunky radio.
Switch. It means I've got to retune the amplifier. I don't really want to get into that, so I'll leave it where it is. Anyway, good to hear you. I think you've got the name Trev, T-R-E-V for Trevor.
Yeah, I've heard this guy before.
Located near Alicante, Brian. CT3NA, EA5ISZ, over.